up, y'all? It's your girl Kylie Creatives. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I filmed me doing my DIY maintenance for Mother's Day. I did my nails, my brows, and my hair. Now I couldn't really follow through with all the steps that I did for my hair because my toddler decided to distract me. So I had to do some parts off camera. I told you guys I'm consistent with my content all 2025. Hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure you give it a thumbs up. So starting off with my eyebrows, I don't get eyebrow tint or waxes. I clearly just use a razor to clean up my brows. And to fill in the tail of my brows, I just use a regular eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Only using it on the tails of my brows only, just to give it more definition. And once I do that, I take the sealer from my Lash Cluster kit to lock the brows in place. And this literally lasts me for about a week, I can say. Like, I wake up and my brows will still be on fleek. To clean up my brows, I use a concealer that matches my skin tone. To clean it up, of course, I'm going to go in with a Q-tip to blend that in. I love doing this method because the sealer really locks my hairs in place. And I do see people use the Got To Be, the yellow one. And I tried it before, but it made my brows like flaky, and I didn't like that. So I love the way the sealer literally secures my brows and locks them in place. So for the wig install, I will be using this 13x6 200 density 26-inch wig that I got from Amazon. I purchased this wig 2 times and it was about $90. After I customized the wig, which is plucking, bleaching, and I did wash this hair, the quality overall is perfect. I will rate this wig like an 8 out of 10. Plucking was a lot, I had to do a lot of plucking to this hair. But I couldn't really fully show you guys all the steps because, of course, my toddler was distracting me. So now for this part, you want to get the wig as flat as possible. So I take my hot comb and my wax stick, and on each side, I do section by section. So I started off with the flat iron first, and then off camera, I did the hot comb and the wax method. The goal is for your install to be flat and natural looking as possible. I don't have a braid down underneath. I just slicked my real hair back into a ponytail and did the cat method. finished look, y'all. Oh my god, I am so in love.